Solidariedade! Solidariedade!
My name is Eric Slater. I'm a bus driver here in Chicago, and I'm just so happy to see all my brothers and sisters from Brazil. I certainly wanted to thank you guys. I've been a shop steward for the Workers Union, the Amalgamated Transit Union in Chicago for about 10 years. Management fired me for doing that work. And we met, back here in 2016. You guys invited me back. You guys did so much work for an international campaign. We won that fight. We brought back to work and won re-election to the executive board of the union. And then they did it again when George Floyd was murdered in the United States, and workers were beginning to discuss taking a position as the working class, as organized in our unions. And that the ruling class, the bosses, would not accept this, and they wouldn't even allow us to speak to each other. And that's when they fired me as a shop steward leading an official union meeting on the property, called the police, and had me fired, and I'm still fired. Today, I just testified in court. Finally, 4 years later, we're finally in the labor court to return back to work. But it is largely because of the international solidarity that we've gotten to the point where we're at. And so I wanted to thank you. We had another victory to report on just a couple of weeks ago. I and others ran for office, just like you, your position, the president of my union. And while I was on property, they used the excuse of having fired me to put me in jail. They said I couldn't be on the property of the company, and they actually brought the police department of Chicago and arrested me. They charged me with trespass in the company in the location that I was running for president, and I was on the ballot of the union. We had a long, protracted fight, and we just won a few weeks ago, which is really great victory for labor rights and to stop the companies from interfering in our organizations. So I wanted to thank my brothers and sisters that are coming all the way from Brazil and give international greetings to you. And I was wondering if I could turn this over to Herbert and also the president of the Metal Workers Union.
Sou Weller Gonçalves, presidente do Sindicato dos Metalúrgicos de São José dos Campos e região, Estado de São Paulo, Brasil.
I'm Weller Gonçalves, president of the Union of Metallurgists in São José dos Campos and Região, in Brazil.
O nosso sindicato é um sindicato que é internacionalista e a gente apoia as lutas dos trabalhadores em todo o mundo.
Our union is an internationalist union and we support worker struggles throughout the world.
Seja no Brasil, nos Estados Unidos ou em qualquer lugar do mundo, a gente sabe que aqueles que se dedicam a favor da luta dos trabalhadores e contra as injustiças, a gente sabe que a patronal persegue, demite, e é muito importante a solidariedade internacional nesse sentido.
Whether it's in Brazil, in the US, or anywhere else in the world, we understand the importance of worker struggles against the bosses and that the bosses will take every effort they can to dash our attempts to build these struggles.
Eu trago aqui o nosso apoio e a solidariedade da nossa categoria metalúrgica ao companheiro Eric por essa demissão, que a gente sabe que é abusiva, e é muito importante uma grande rede de solidariedade em defesa do companheiro.
I'd like to extend our solidarity to Eric here in his struggle against the unfair dismissal from his position that he's been now fighting in the courts for so long, and to underscore the importance of all these struggles to worker struggles generally.
Yes. My name is Herbert Claros. I'm a member of a Metal Workers Union in São José dos Campos. I'm a member from CSP com Lutas, a labor and popular national federation in Brazil. I'm in Mancha, a member of executive board of CSP com Lutas, and CSP com Lutas is affiliated for an international organization, is an international labor network of solidarity and struggle. We are here, I'd like to introduce my colleagues. We are here, we in Mancha. Mancha is a General Motors auto worker, fired from General Motors workers for the struggles in Brazil. We are here with Célio, is a auto worker from General Motors, was fired for repression from the General Motors also years ago, but we reinstate with negotiations in General Motors. Renato is an auto worker from General Motors, is a General Secretary of the Union. Antonio Lisboa is General Motors Auto Workers, is a leader of the Metal Workers Union also, and Antonio is General Motors Auto Workers, is a former president of the Metal Work Union. I'm an aerospace worker. I'm working at Embraer, aerospace factory in Brazil. Well, for us is an honor are here together with my colleague, my friend Eric Slater. For is very important. Workers are struggle internationally together, and it's very important the act of the Eric in support for the black movement in the moment for Black Lives Matter movement in Chicago, in United States. He fighted is a kind of repression for police repression. We defend his statement for the company and can represent bus driver workers in Chicago. We believe in this. We hope with this until the victory for Eric Slater.
In solidarity.
We are in solidarity.
Solidarity.
So, can I talk to those guys about? Okay.
It's okay.
So, you guys have a large contingent here that's come to the Labor Notes Conference. I'm curious why it was important for you guys to come to this conference.
Você, por que é importante essa conferência para você?
Nós do Sindicato dos Metalúrgicos
We from the
participamos
Metallurgists Union
das atividades internacionais
participate in international union activities
porque o sistema capitalista e o patrão, ele se organiza de forma mundial e a organização dos trabalhadores tem que ser internacional.
because capitalism, the bosses system, is organized at an international level. Therefore, our struggles need to also be at an international level.
Nós estivemos aqui há alguns meses atrás apoiando a greve dos metalúrgicos das montadoras, a greve do AW.
We were actually here a few months ago to support the UAW workers, also metal workers strike.
E o nosso sindicato, ele sempre participa, a gente acha que é muito importante a gente socializar as nossas experiências, assim como conhecer também a experiência de trabalhadores de todo mundo.
And we think it's very important to share our experiences and to hear about other people's experiences as well with all the workers of the world.
Yes. Yeah, we are, I think CSP com Lutas attended, I think, 8 or 9 Labor Notes Conference. For us, it's very important this moment in the first because American labor movement is very different for us in the Latin America, but it's very strong. It's very important. Workers self-organize, creative self-organize in United States to defeat capitalism, defeat imperialism. In the second way, I think it's very important moment to share international experience. For example, the International Labor Network that CSP com Luta is part, it's because 11 years ago, different unions from Brazil, CSP com Lutas from Brazil, more with other union in France and in Spain, meet in the first time in the Labor Notes Conference and create the idea to put together in the same international network unions, different unions, progressive unions that think is very important to development independent and combative unions around the world.
And the rise of fascism, Bolsonaro in Brazil and Trump here, the relationship of these fascists, are the unions concerned about the rise of fascism in Brazil and internationally as far as what workers need to do?
Entra na sua perspectiva política da situação ou impacto do fascismo?
Pode repetir?
Repeat la pergunta.
Sim, a pergunta é o espectro do fascismo no Brasil, tanto como nos Estados Unidos, como afeta a política dos sindicatos? É importante para você?
Sim, é muito importante para
very
nós
important
da
for us.
CSP com Lutas e também
For CSP com
do
Lutas.
Sindicato Metalúrgico, o
And also for the
enfrentamento
metalworkers.
àqueles que querem liquidar os direitos dos trabalhadores, aqueles que querem acabar com as liberdades, como são essas correntes de ultradireita.
Because they want to destroy workers' organizing entirely. They want to liquidate us. That is the goal of the far right.
E os trabalhadores devem participar ativamente da política para enfrentar a ultradireita, mas devem fazê-lo de maneira independente, porque
So workers need to get involved in politics in order to confront the far right, but they need to do it in an independent fashion.
os trabalhadores devem confiar nas suas próprias forças e nos seus próprios métodos para enfrentar a ultradireita e todos os governos que atacam os seus direitos.
Workers need to have confidence in their own power and in their own methods of struggle, and to put that to work to confront the far right and to defeat it.
You mentioned that part of the reason you're here at Labor Notes is building these links of international solidarity. It's my understanding that you met with the Sean Fain, with the head of the UAW, who's in a major organizing campaign.
Para construir as ligações de solidariedade internacional. Eu ter o vídeo que você ter feito uma reunião com Sean Fain, da UAW. Sorry, could you repeat the end of the question?
That they met recently with Sean Fain to talk about the organizing effort that.
Para falar acerca das campanhas do UAW.
Fala você.
Sim, nós, como foi dito, nós estivemos aqui numa delegação, o Antônio e o Valmir, de 2 dirigentes sindicais do Brasil, que vieram apoiar a greve das montadoras americanas. Nós também...
As has been said, we're here with this delegation, with Antonio and Renato, to support the worker struggle, and particularly to support auto worker struggle.
Nós também fizemos manifestações de apoio à greve americana, bem como votamos nas assembleias o apoio aos trabalhadores, porque nós achamos que é muito importante essa conexão.
We've also voted up solidarity statements in our unions and made other efforts because this connection is very important to us.
Quer falar, Antônio?
Não, eu estava pausando pro. Não, acho que a nossa vinda aqui nos Estados Unidos
So we're here in the U.S.
essa semana foi importante para entendermos que tanto o ataque dos patrões aos trabalhadores
So we think this is an important conjuncture because the attacks of the bosses against the workers.
Os ataques aos trabalhadores, tanto no Brasil como nos Estados Unidos, são os mesmos. Então, a importância dos trabalhadores se unir para tirar umas reuniões entre nós para combatermos esses ataques dos patrões.
Our struggles are the same both in the U.S. and in Brazil, and we need to meet in order to be able to confront these battles and to carry them out.
Então, nesse sentido, a mensagem que a gente leva para o Brasil é a união dos trabalhadores, a organização, não só aqui no Brasil, mas também na Colômbia, na Argentina, no México, que os trabalhadores têm que se unir contra o ataque dos patrões.
So our message that we're bringing from Brazil is that we need to unite. We need to unite all the workers, not just here, not just in Brazil, but also in Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, and the rest of the world as well.
And the United States is supporting Milei in Argentina, and the U.S. military have been there. They're building a U.S. military base. This support by the United States and the AFL-CIO. What is your view of the U.S. intervention in Argentina and in Latin America?
Isso apoio tanto estatal como sindical como a AFL-CIO, ou federação, uma federação nacional dos sindicatos, apoia essa construção. Qual é a perspectiva de você acerca disso?
E a nova greve geral da CGT?
Não a greve.
Quer que eu fale? Vou falar em português. Para nós, nós rejeitamos isso, isso é muito grave.
We think this is a very serious situation.
E nós nos somamos ao povo argentino nas ruas que lutam contra o governo Milei e contra essas intenções pró-imperialistas.
And we are in solidarity with the Argentine people in the streets who are fighting against Milei and against these imperialist plots.
Já tiveram greves gerais e tem mobilizações sendo construídas na Argentina.
There's been general strikes in Argentina, in addition to other mobilizations that are quite
E mais uma
significant.
nova greve geral para o dia 6 de maio.
And there's another general strike being planned for May 6th.
Mas essa não é só uma pauta da Argentina. Todo movimento operário latino-americano, a nível internacional, inclusive dentro dos Estados Unidos, tem que lutar contra qualquer tipo de intervenção militar de outro país.
And this isn't just an Argentine question, it's a question for all of Latin America. It's a question for the U.S. as well, in that all workers need to be fighting against intents to invade or commit an imperialist invasion against another country.
As intenções do imperialismo norte-americano na América Latina continuar a exploração e aumentar a exploração sobre os recursos naturais e outros recursos que tem nos nossos países. E nós vamos lutar com toda a força do movimento operário para resistir a isso.
The U.S.'s goal in U.S. imperialism's goal in Latin America is to extract resources, particularly natural resources, among others, and we need to be in struggle against that in all of the ways that it manifests itself in the continent.
And how do you see China? Because the United States now wants to encircle China, militarize Asia, and possibly attack China.
A China usa alguns métodos diferentes dos Estados Unidos, mas
China
o mesmo
uses some
caminho
methods that are different from the U.S.
de construir, de levar as grandes multinacionais para os nossos países na América Latina.
In the way that it brings multinational companies to Latin America.
E existe um grande interesse em relação à questão dos produtos dos royalties na América Latina, como também na África.
And in particular, it's taking an interest in
Commodities.
Resources.
Resources.
Gold,
Yes.
lithium.
E, inclusive, empresas chinesas compram terras, são os novos grandes latifundiários de grandes terrenos da América Latina e também na África.
So the Chinese companies are the new big landlords in a lot of parts of Latin America and Africa.
Isso é uma forma também de imperialismo e nós também rejeitamos e lutamos contra esse tipo.
And they are also a form of imperialism, and we fight against that as well.
Thank you.
Muito obrigado.
Thank you.